Matty Wand Lights with a Pack Blaster. So first we go into standby mode. Here you can select the wand, just have the single flashing light, or you can get the bar graph display by holding the fire button. Just toggles between those two. Then when you want to power it up, you have the short power up sound. And with the wand light on, the vent light on, you get the infinite fire. So it can just fire as long as you want. So then if you want to go into the other mode, just turn off the vent light, and now you're firing. It will cause the wand to heat up. And vent. And then we can just shut it down.